This is a fit for a 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond Nissan Rogue with factory installed raised side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima TimberLine JetStream base roof rack system. The system is using the JetStream load bars in silver, 50 inches in length, the TimberLine towers, which connect to the raised side rails using a flexible stainless steel rubberized band. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 32 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum crossbar spacing is 38 inches. Maximum carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.